All right, things are calm this afternoon,
yes.
but we've been talking to you all morning long, and everyone who tuned into Coffee Talk this morning knows what's coming.
Right.
Things are going to take a turn tomorrow.
Yeah, so right now it's quiet. We'll have some showers today. Today's not the big weather day. Tomorrow, the first part is going to be fine. We'll be able to get the kids to school, all that fun stuff. It's the afternoon and evening that we're going to have inclement weather, we'll say. All right, so let's just kind of set the stage, see what's doing right now. There's Ocala, on again and off again showers all morning long. There's our first warning, live Doppler radar, and we see kind of the first batch lifting up, and another batch right over the Sumter-Marion border coming right on in. So Ocala, you're not done with the rainfall yet, and there's more over here to Flagler County too. A little pocket of heavier rain working right over toward Palm Coast. So on again, off again showers, 20% coverage of rain in our forecast today. It's a cool 55 with rain there in Marion County, 60 in Leesburg. It's 66 outside now in Orlando and nearly 70 in Titusville. Visible satellite showing a lot of cloud cover streaming over top of us. So this afternoon, temps not really moving much, okay? Mid to upper 60s, lower 70s, just depends on where you are, and it's a nice breezy day. There's Futurecast painting some showers around, nothing too inclement, just showers and nothing more than that. But out west, we're watching our next weather feature, this storm system really tapping into that warm Gulf moisture, and by tomorrow, it brings a line of strong to severe storms our direction. Leon County Schools up in the Panhandle has just canceled school for tomorrow because of the severe weather situation. And as it works toward us, obviously we have to be very weather aware. We're under a level 2 out of 5 risk for scattered strong to severe storms across the majority of the metro. Our northern areas under a level 3 or numerous risk of strong to severe storms across central Florida. And when we break down the impact, I think there's a big wind event about to play out with damaging winds running 60 to potentially even 70 miles per hour in gusts. Tornadoes cannot be ruled out, even a strong tornado. And while it's not nothing, I think hail and flooding rains are going to be lower on the spectrum. But because parts of central Florida are under a level 3 out of 5 risk, interesting enough to go back and see how long it's been. Back in April of last year, had that big hail event in Brevard County. That was a level 3 day. Then before that, Hurricane Ian in 2022, that was a level 3 day. Before that, the last wind event we had was a widespread wind event back in 2021. So it's been a few years since we've had these kinds of dynamics in play. We've got everything basically led up there on our severe weather checklist. So let's stay dialed in. Lunchtime tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, but there's the line of storms moving in. 4 p.m. north and west of the metro, getting into downtown around 5, 6 o'clock, and then approaching Brevard County by about 8 o'clock or so. So tomorrow, first warning weather day. Today, a few showers. That's not a problem. Tomorrow's the problem day, clearing out nicely Wednesday, Thursday, and then another little storm system moves in for our Friday and our Saturday.